Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube to desktop as an app. So, if you're tired of opening YouTube in a normal browser every single time, you can actually turn it into its own desktop app on your Windows PC. So, it will open separately just like apps such as Spotify or Discord. So, first open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and head over to youtube.com. Once the website loads, look toward the top right corner of your browser near the address bar. If you're using Chrome, you may see a little install icon. So click on it, then press on install. But if you don't see the icon, you can go to the three dots right here at the top right. Scroll down to Cast, Save, and Share, and select Install YouTube. Now, once you click that, click on Install to confirm. And that's how you can install YouTube as an app on Chrome. So if you're using Microsoft Edge, go to Microsoft Edge, go to youtube.com. So click the three dots right here at the top right. Go to More Tools. Next, go to Apps. Then choose Install YouTube. Now, after installing it, YouTube will launch in its own dedicated window without all the extra browser tabs and distractions. So, if you want YouTube to pin to taskbar, pin to start, or such, just click on Allow. If you don't want to, click on Don't Allow. So, yeah, that's the easiest way to turn YouTube into a desktop app on Windows. Thanks for watching.